Welcome to the Business Plus Accounting video training series for restaurant managers. In this episode, we'll be looking at some of the shift functions supported in the software, as well as some of the management functions, including employee scheduling and end-of-day functions. We'll also be looking at maintaining and tracking your inventory and some of the reporting options that are available in the software. From the Manager function menu, shift functions are accessed primarily here. You have the ability to transfer tables from one server to another. For example, if a server is going home or going on break and all their tables need to be transferred, use this function to assign all open tables from one server to a new server. If you leave the table number empty, it will transfer all tables. If you put in a table number, it will simply transfer one table. You can use the pick list to assign your employee numbers, and then you would have to know the open tables that you are going to reassign. Additional table functions include the ability to remove a closed table or to reopen a closed table. When you remove a closed table, it does not allow you to go back in and modify the table. It simply removes the table completely from the system. Removed tables are stored in historical files so that you can verify using the reporting module that tables are not being removed that should not be removed, and that employees are not using that as a method, or managers are not using that as a method of dishonesty. You simply use the pick list to select a table that you're going to remove, and then that table would then be removed. You also have the ability to reopen a closed table. Reopening a closed table reverses the cache out of that table and puts the table as an open table under the original server again. One thing that is useful to know about the reopen table function is that if you are using the integrated credit card processing system and you have closed a table with a credit card and that credit card value was wrong, or for some reason you need to adjust that, when you reopen the closed table, the credit card transaction will be reversed and the card can be closed again for the appropriate amount of money. It's also important to realize that if you reopen the closed table and that table was a credit card table, you must close it again as a credit card transaction using the original pre-authorization so that you can get the money that you need to have for that table.